guys, we're currently here in Ocean Breeze, Negombo. We're gonna be here for 3 days to spend Christmas with family. Since we're hungry, we ordered some chicken sandwich and fries while we're waiting for our room to be ready, and we're gonna have a proper lunch at our auntie's place. But for the meantime, that's the plan for now, and we'll keep you updated. Alright, so we are at the rooftop of Ocean Breeze Hotel. As you can see, it is a 360 view of the whole Negombo.
Exchange rate is 299.
Okay. So we just finished our check-in process. This is the facade of the place we're staying, Ocean Breeze. It's a city center, or like center to everything pretty much. So across the road is the beach side, and along this area was just a neighboring area. There's like supermarket, like a 9-11, not 7-Eleven. There's cafes, there's restaurants, so it is literally in a center of Negombo Beach. So breezy outside. We are heading to our room. We are in level 6. We just got out from our hotel, and we're currently here at Ceylon Co, or Cold Island Tea Co, to have some iced tea and honey together before we head off to our next location. Just checked out from our hotel really early, so we are currently here at Café Francais to have some breakfast. We ordered 1 Benedict and 1 banana pancake, and then iced matcha latte. Yeah, we were just walking along the street just nearby to our hotel, and we saw this really inviting cafe, and we're hungry, so yeah.
Before the incident, so after having breakfast here in the cafe, we were walking towards the beach. But as we were walking, we saw the minor incident. See the following footage of what was caught.